Let's learn how to divide fractions by solving 3/4 divided by 1/3. Let's start by visualizing what 3/4 looks like. Here we have one whole circle divided into 4 equal parts with 3 parts shaded. This represents 3/4. And here's what 1/3 looks like. One whole circle divided into 3 equal parts with 1 part shaded. To divide fractions, we follow 4 simple steps. First, keep the first fraction. Second, change division to multiplication. Third, take the reciprocal of the second fraction. And fourth, multiply and simplify. Let's apply these steps to our problem. We start with 3/4 divided by 1/3. Then we change the division sign to multiplication. Next, we take the reciprocal of 1/3, which is 3/1. Now we can multiply the numerators and denominators. Our final answer is 9/4, which can also be written as 2 and 1/4. Let's verify this makes sense. If we take 2 and 1/4 copies of 1/3, we should get back to 3/4. And indeed, that's exactly what happens. Remember the key steps. Keep, change to multiplication, reciprocal, and multiply. This method will work for dividing any fraction.